Now, School Diversity Week offers schools across the UK all the resources they need to celebrate LGBT+ inclusion and diversity.
We wanted to be able to do something at Norwich Primary Academy that celebrated equality and diversity across the school.
It's so important for our school, which is so diverse, that everyone has a voice and that they can see themselves in what they're learning about and just in their day-to-day school life.
I feel like it's really important to be inclusive of those people who are part of the LGBTQ community.
I think it widens the school community and it kind of strengthens us, because then we know that everyone is accepted, everyone gets treated equally.
And I've seen the difference and the impact it's had when we've had School Diversity Week, because they don't feel alone.
It gives us the opportunity to be who we are without fear that people are going to judge us.
So the reaction from everybody within the school community about School Diversity Week has been really positive.
It's really important that we're given the chance to explore and learn about different things, so that in the future we can go forward into the world as adults and we have, a broad understanding.
School Diversity Week for me is about acceptance. It's about celebration and respect.
The top things that the children get out of Diversity Week is they feel included at school. They feel welcomed when they come to school and they feel safe.
Diversity means to me everybody being different and celebrating their differences.
If someone does have two mummies or two daddies, you can say that you're really lucky to have two of one type of parent.
I think the impact on pupils has been profound. Children really think before they speak now. They're thinking about the joking language that they used to use, and it isn't being used anymore. We're not having homophobic language used on the playground.
Students thrive when they feel accepted, and we're an academic school, we are academically driven, but nobody's going to achieve academically if they don't feel accepted.
The resources from Just Like Us are brilliant. They cover everything from English, maths and art.
I think Just Like Us have made it really easy, so a lot of the resources are just prepared for you.
I would absolutely encourage all schools to sign up for School Diversity Week.